Hi, welcome to Vegan Cuisine with Madame Sophie. Today I'm going to show you how I make this fabulous and tasty chocolate banana shake. This shake is so amazing. This shake is great. In 1 banana to about 1.5 cups of plant-based milk. I'm using some oat milk from the Plant Folk brand. This is the vanilla flavor. I'm also going to add in some Silk almond milk yogurt, and this is the vanilla flavor. This yogurt also tastes great. I'm going to go in and add in 1 scoop of protein powder. I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of protein powder, which is 3 teaspoons. So 1 tablespoon of protein powder, and today I'm using the Garden of Life vanilla flavored fit high protein plant-based protein. Three teaspoons, which is 1 tablespoon of dark chocolate pure cocoa powder. So this chocolate is the type of chocolate I'm using is very strong, so that's why I'm only using 3 teaspoons. And I'm also going to add in some coconut palm sugar. I'm going to add that to my shake mixture. Four teaspoons of coconut palm sugar. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend the mixture. There you have it. I'm doing a flavor taste test and it tastes so good. If you are a dark chocolate lover or a chocolate lover and you're vegan and you think that you're going to miss out on a chocolate shake, you're not missing out on anything. Please try this, and if you do try it, please let me know how it turned out. Let me know what you think about this shake recipe. Thank you so much for tuning in again, and I will see you in the next vegan cuisine video. Peace, love, and tasty vegan food. Bye.